Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I will be making this this is the Indian hemp seed. So they have already removed the back. This is just the food inside the seed. So I'm going to add this to my blender. So this is how it's looking like, guys. You can see they have already removed the black skin, so it just remaining the food inside this seed. So I'm just going to add that to my blender. So I will be adding 2 spoons of that to my blender. So I have here sesame. Sesame is very good for our hair growth as well, so I'm going to be adding sesame to my blender as well. So the next ingredient is virgin hair fertilizer. So I will be adding virgin hair fertilizer to my blender. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding damatol as well. So I will just, you can add as much as you want. So if you want to make this in a large quantity, you can add more of the ingredients that I am adding right now. So I'm also going to be adding my castor oil. So you can use any oil of your choice if you don't want to use castor oil. Okay, so Indian hemp seed is very good for our hair. So hemp seed also prevent too much water from being absorbed by the hair. So it also helps to prevent the penetration of certain substance into our follicles. So it also prevents hair from breaking by enhancing the lubrication of the shaft. So it prevents hair breakage by reducing the combing force of wet hair. So now I'm just going to blend everything together. As you can see me doing, I'm just going to blend both in everything together. So sesame is also good for our hair. It helps to prevent premature graying. Massaging your hair with sesame oil can prevent premature graying. So it also promotes hair growth. It protects from harmful UV rays, treats hairlines, it suits hair heat damage and dry hair. It also prevents hair fall due to stress. It prevents dandruff as well. So guys, I've already blended. This is how it's looking like now. It looks very smooth. As you can see, you can use it like this, but if you don't want too much of residue on your hair, while using it, you can also use you can strain it out. Now just the way I'm about to do, I'm just going to use my sauce to kind of get out a little residue inside. But you can see you can even like barely see that there is any residue inside here, unless you feel it with your hand. Then you will know that there is little pieces of the ingredient like that I blend together. So I'm just going to put it inside this place now and just press out the oil and the grease there, the little residue inside. I'm going to be keeping it for my next video. I will also add it to other ingredients to make my other video. So as you can see how is I just pressing it out. I did not put this on hot water or anything. I just make it and start using it immediately on my scalp. This is going to be a great massage grease for your scalp. If you have dandruff that you want to treat. If you have lines on your hair, if you want to protect your hair against any kind of breakage or excess hair shedding, this is going to be so amazing. Massage this to your problem area of your hair, like every day. Just massage every day on that area. You are going to see amazing hair growth results before you know it. So this product is so amazing. You can use it both on your hair and your scalp, anyhow you want to use it, but just try to use it as a scalp massage. That is the only way, like the most effective way you can see a great result. So now this is the residue I just got. You can see it's very smooth. All the benefit are inside. That is just the shaft. So this is our hair gray. Looks so creamy and beautifully made. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer this into my jug. Then I will show you how I will be using it on my scalp and also on my hair. Guys, try to make this if you have any kind of breakage, limes, dandruff, or any kind of problem on your hair. Just try to make it. It's very easy to make with just 2 ingredients: sesame and hemp seed. Just blend it together and you have this with veggie hair fertilizer and damatol. Okay, so now this is how the product is looking like. It's not going to be thick, it's just going to remain like this. Okay, so now my hair in some protective style. I'm just going to just show you how I will be using this. When you want, you can also use it when your hair is unprotected style as well, or you can use it when you want to put your hair on protected style. Okay, so now this is how my hair is looking like. I just braid my hair not too like about 3 days or 4 days ago. So I'm just going to first of all use this my living in spray that I made. The video is already on my channel. This is with what they call it, rosemary and bay leaf. So they are already on my channel. I'm just going to use this on my scalp. Then I will massage this in very well to my hair, because rosemary as well is a very great product for our hair growth and all any other hair problem. So apply this to your hair and to your hairline, anywhere that you have problem. Then massage it in before you add your grease. This is going to serve as a moisturizer, while your grease is going to serve as a sealing to seal all the goodness that you put on your hair, and also use it to massage your scalp very well. Okay, so now just let me continue to apply this to my hair and also to my scalp. As you guys can see me doing, I did not only put this on the line, I also put it on my hair where I braid from the root to the tip of my hair. So guys, when you are done, just grab your grease. When you are done massaging your scalp with your water or your spray, anyone that you want to use, just grab your grease and also use that to seal in everything to make it really work fast on your hair. Make sure you do this every day on your problematic area of your hair, any part of your hair that you want to see magic hair growth. Just use it, massage it in very well, rub it on your palm, then massage it into your hair and your scalp, as you can see me doing right now. Guys, this is super effective, super good for any type of hair that you have, relaxed or natural hair. It's a very great product that you can use to grow your hair. You guys know Indian hemp is amazing, as well as sesame. Even virgin hair fertilizer on oil is a great product. Talk of more of damatol that can alone can treat your dandruff and condition your hair for healthy hair growth. So now I'm just going to use it all over my hair, both my hairline, everywhere, my strands, everywhere. I'm going to use it everywhere, just like so. Then when I'm done, I'm going to put my hair together. Then I will just use my hairband to put my hair together, like so, as you can see me doing right now, guys. So guys, this is very amazing. Do this and you are going to see a very great result, and your hair is, even if you don't have any kind of problem on your hair, your hairline is doing well, every part of your hair are fine, but you still want to grow your hair, try this out. You are going to see a result. When I am done, I'm going to cover my hair with my plastic bag. You guys know that virgin hair fertilizer has that kind of hot sensation, as well as the damatol. So covering your hair like this is going to help the product to penetrate into your follicles and also stimulate your scalp, that can encourage hair growth. So guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. Hope you guys find it helpful enough to subscribe, to share with your friends and family, and to like this video so that you too can recommend this to other people on YouTube. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one by God's grace. Bye bye, stay safe, bye, ciao ciao.